Hello, welcome back to Will You Press the Button? I'm your host, Sean Nussum. And first thing here, this is a really stupid question. Your best friend gets great life and money, but you get nothing. Sure. I'd rather my best friend get the great life and money than my enemy. 'Cause then perhaps my best friend will give me some of that money. You can grow a unibrow and or a mustache instantly, but when you do, your friends do too. Sure, another stupid question. Oh, slight minority. Anybody, including fictional characters, will fall in love with you if you wish them to do so. But that's it. Be happy. You're fan fiction obsessed nerds. Yeah. Majority 632. You will be the most beautiful person on earth, but your baby will be the ugliest person on earth when he or she grows up. No. 66 of people agree with me. You can learn entire languages in a day, but no air conditioning for the rest of your life. Yeah. Ever heard of Central Air? That's kind of the same thing, but then there's, fans or whatever. It'll be fine. You'll be a math genius and get A+ on every math test you do, but you'll get bashed up for one entire year. No, math is a journey. You can have a day with any celebrity of your choice, but they constantly forget who you are and you need to introduce yourself. Sure, at least I get to be with them even if they don't know who I am. Minority 658 didn't press. You can turn in to your favorite animal, but you'll only have 24 hours to live. Sure. That was stupid. Why did I press that? What? 33 pressed minority. You have an unlimited amount of money, but you have allergy symptoms for life. Sure. I mean, it's fine. You'll get $10,000, but you can never have Wi-Fi again. No. Ha! 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 1,089 didn't press. Vast majority. You can have great orgasms, but watch Sympathy for Mr. Vengeance 24/7. Sure. I don't know what that is. You never have to use the restroom ever again. But when you hear anything about a bathroom, you stalk someone while they're in the bathroom. No. It's their time. Have the best friend you ever wished for, but your other friends like him more than you. No. I demand to be the center of my friends' worlds. Majority 456 didn't press. You get to enter your favorite anime and bring one friend with you, but the main characters don't realize you exist ever. Sure, I don't care. You are the richest man or woman on earth, but you are the dumbest and ugliest. No. 714 didn't press. You can eat anything at any time, but whenever you do, you get arrested. No, not worth it. Ha! 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 Vast majority. 2,962 didn't press. Justin Bieber dies, but Taylor Swift also dies. Got to take the good with the bad. Got to take the bad with the good. Minority. People must love Taylor Swift. 213 didn't press. You get a dog, but it pisses on your carpet. No. You can be the most famous person ever, but you are famous over being Hitler's brother or sister. No. 474 didn't press. Majority. Again. You can cure cancer, but for each person who gets cured, you lose 1 hour of your life. No. People need to die. That's what keeps the world spinning. Honestly, I thought you guys knew that by now. You can have anyone you like, love too, but they have to push your boobs in your face every day, and you have to like it now. Go live with them, you weird guy. No. Personally, I know I'm in the minority, but I really don't appreciate being subjected to boobs in my face. The world goes back in time, reshaping history. Nazi Germany wins a war on all fronts and emerges victorious. But you were never born, thus never experience it, nor life itself. Yeah, I don't want to be around for that. You are the smartest person on earth, but you are also the ugliest. 782 didn't press. Okay, last question. You get to go to Wonderland, but a terrible tragedy has happened there. As long as a tragedy doesn't happen to me, it's fine. Well, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 7 days a week. On weekdays, I post videos at 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. And on weekends, I post videos at 11:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. And some days I'll sing. June 30th will be the last day of my spring schedule. Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr are in the description. Hit like, as always, hit like if you liked it. Goodbye.